Good morning, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. Today we have for sale a 1996 Pro 60 Yamaha 2-stroke. It is oil injected, so you got your oil tank on here, so it's got the oil injections, but it is a 2-stroke, not a 4-stroke. Tilt and trim, tiller setup, fresh tune-up, new plugs, new gear lube, water pump, carb's been gone through. Let's say we kind of go through them pretty well. Compression check's been done on it. This one has 105 on each cylinder. Yeah, that's what it had done on it. So let's fire it up here. And it is a 20-inch long shaft. Tilt and trim switches here on the side. You could put a secondary out for your foot or something if you wanted to. It does have the harness for the gauges and stuff if you want that, or you just tidy it up and hang it up, get it out of your way. Pumping good water. And kind of cavitate the tank a little bit. And get you wet. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral again. Tilt trim works good. Turn it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.